Well, I woke up this morning and I looked out my window through the blinds. I really can't see much. I just noticed that it wasn't snowing, so I was just like, it was a bunch of, bullshit, no snow. Till I got up and looked out my other window. And yeah, it snowed. Let's go take a look. She thinks it's no joke out there. Go on, Maya. Go on. She was like, not having it. Oh my God. I don't know if you can see how deep this is. Here's my car. Ugh. I got snow over the, that's, can you see me? There's like 5-foot drifts of snow. Underneath there is my car, somewhere underneath there. There goes Lori, she's waving at me in the window. This is fucking ridiculous. So basically my dog's not coming out to go to the bathroom because the snow's over her head.